Hey YouTubers, this is Shaman Hawk with Shamanic Lodge. We're over here at Dusseldorf, Germany, my buddy Walter Spiegel's place. Thought I'd get a little closer view here of Shamanic High Priestess Orsolya and ask her a couple questions about a practice that she likes in her personnel ceremony called Gifts to Nature. Let's just start with that. Could you explain what you think a gift to nature is?
Yes. So I'm just sewing here a medicine bag, but what I mean about gifts of nature is let's start there. When I even don't know when I started this practice. I don't remember. I was just thinking if I remember it, but I don't know. Maybe the last couple years. I started with crystals because the crystals were the best example for me to not think that they are mine, but they are nature's gift. So yeah, we can buy it, we can take it out from the ground, but it's still not ours. So I started with crystals, just giving back to nature and just telling to nature that yeah, I'm offering back to you because somebody took it out and used it, but I still felt that this is where in a global way there is an unbalance, because we just take from the earth and the land, like we can think about from trees, even the air, what we take, and we don't give back anything to the earth. So this is how I started my practice, and in the last couple months I changed it a little bit, because I'm not offering just crystals, seeds, a bit of hair, or I don't know, I have here, for example, some walnuts, chestnuts, offering back to it. But also I started to create things and then to offer it back. For example, I will show you, we went with Walter and Hawk this week in Appelwald to the Frauenstein here in Düsseldorf, and I found there some branches, and I made a dream catcher with chestnuts and this
Acorns.
acorns, yeah, and walnuts. And my intention with it is that I'm asking for these gifts of nature to can use it, but I also I let it charge with this place, but I will take it back to the nature. I'm looking forward to go back to that place. It's so magical, and I will offer it back. How I did when we went there, I bring another dream catcher there, and I put it on the fountain with the intention that who is seeing that dream catcher, it's to find us. And the reason is why to find us, because people like in this time or in this period are really looking for finding their true nature, their center, and doing in their life what makes them happy. So this is where, for example, here also in Walter's place, at Walter's place in Düsseldorf, we are working with people and helping them to get back to their true nature. Yes, and I had a really nice experience, by the way, when I put to the fountain that dream catcher, because we went for a little walk, and when we came back from the Frauenstein, I just wanted to drink some water at the fountain, And the woman just walked up to me, and she asked me that if I made that dream catcher, what I had with me, and she could see maybe and recognize that, yeah, maybe I made that. It was just the part of this ring, so it wasn't finished. And yeah, it was a really nice surprise, yeah, how it works, the manifestation magic, because yeah, my intention, what I wanted is exactly what happened. That woman walked up to me and just asking me if I made it. So yes, this is how it works. And
But she didn't see you place that there, right?
oh no, I just when I placed there, nobody was around, so nobody could see. And another magic, what I started to do in Bulgaria, the seaside, and I really love it, is to hang up little stones, what has naturally a hole in the middle, to put string on it and to hang up in different places. So this is, I made in Cluj-Napoca, I made in my hometown in Satu Mare, I made here in Düsseldorf also, and in Bulgaria. And the intention with that is when you look at that stone, it's really the feeling of appreciation and respect of nature, and to live in harmony with it. Yes.
It's quite a beautiful personal ceremony. Thanks for taking the time to explain that to us.
Thank you.
All right. And we're going to let you get back. We'll see you
Yes.
making medicine bags here. We'll talk a little bit about that when you make a little more progress on them.
Yes.
Until then.
Until then.
All right, YouTubers, catch up with you guys later.